In this video, we will discuss more about the criteria of lexical resource. As we learned that to score a band of 7 or above in the criteria of lexical resource, you will have to focus on certain aspects of vocabulary. Let's look at this public version of IELTS Speaking band descriptors again. You can see to score a band of 7 or more in the criteria of lexical resource, you have to show some evidence of 1. Figurative language and idiomatic expressions. 2. Use of prepositional verbs or phrasal verbs. 3. Use of collocations. In this video, we will focus on use of collocations. Let's discuss what are collocations. Collocations are conventional word combinations. These expressions are also idiomatic, but they are relatively easy to understand. So, when people have spoken certain language all their life, they subconsciously get into the habit of combining certain words together. These conventional combinations of words are called collocations, and different languages have different and a large number of collocations. Next important point to remember is what IELTS expects. The test makers are very well aware that no one can know all collocations. You just have to show some evidence of it in your speaking. But you have to remember to use it in a natural way and in the right context. Let's discuss few examples of collocation. Collocations can be fixed or freer. Fixed collocation is where it is difficult to replace one of the words with an alternative. Freer collocation is which allows for more choice of words. What is freer collocation? Make a cup of coffee. Make a mistake. These are freer collocations. Here, you are free to combine different words with make. What is fixed collocation? Let's discuss few examples. We say job satisfaction. We don't say job happiness. We say sales figures. We don't say sales numbers. We say a golden opportunity. We don't say a golden chance. We say highly reliable. We don't say highly old. We say thanks a lot. We don't say thank you a lot. Let's discuss few questions in which you can use collocation that fit naturally in the given situation. You can see IELTS Speaking Part 3 questions. Now, here's the best part about collocations. Sometimes, even when you are not consciously trying to use it, you may end up using a collocation. Just like here, while answering for fifth question, that is, how does working in a big hotel compare with working in a small hotel, I can say, I believe customer satisfaction is more important for big hotels. Also, employees in big hotels are more aware of what their customers want, and providing that is their top priority. Here, with common word combinations like customer satisfaction and top priority, you are able to show the examiner some awareness of style and collocation. IELTS is an English language proficiency test. So, the examiners want to see evidence of words commonly used together in English in your speaking. There are no rules to learn collocations. You can gradually learn them with their explanation from a lot of resources available on internet. The most natural way to learn collocations would be to hear them being used in a conversation with or among native speakers. Important points to remember. Students should not worry, as they are not expected to know all the expressions that are commonly used by English speakers. They should not feel pressure to use them. It is not compulsory to use such expressions. So only use them naturally and if you are comfortable with it. If students are going to use them in a way which feels unnatural or forceful, this may impact negatively on their score. Do not overuse them. It is important to use them in the right context, even if you just use once. Remember that using them is helpful in scoring higher in lexical resource, but not using them is not going to impact negatively on the score. You can simply express your ideas in non-idiomatic ways if you are not able to use idioms.